To create an external ID, just in case you don't have access to the asset discovery, it can be done this way. So you click on this gear button here, go to advanced settings, switch to config mode. Here you can click on manage external assets. Okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure you click on a BIM element. So for example, if I was going to do this, I believe this is a cooling tower. I'll click on this cooling tower and it gives me two options. The first option is to click and tag center. So if I click and tag center, it picks the center of this object. So you can only tag one element. So let's call this CT001 and it would be under HVAC. Okay, and you can see there the tag is now being created. Now if I wanted to click and tag an object on this element, I can click here, click to tag. So I have to click and tag anywhere on the surface of this object. So it can be along this face, it can be along this face or this face. So wherever I click is where the dot's going to be created. So I can click, for example, here in this corner, and I call this CT02, still HVAC, and that's created there. I can also create another one as well on the same object but along a different face. So I want to create one along here, click on this, call this CT003, create asset, so that you have new assets created. Now I reload and return, those assets will now be inside the twin. To get the data for those assets, you can then click the export button again. So I want to export CSV. That data should come through. And as you can see here, the bottom of the screen, those assets that you created are made available. You can then copy this back into your Google spreadsheet so you don't have a transcription error. Okay, thank you very much.